How do you make multiple streams of income the easy way? So that's what I'm going to cover today. My name is Paul Farmer. Welcome to the channel. And if you've been tuning me at all, I've been covering what's called the Automatic Duplication System, also known as Sparky AI. And I apologize because this image isn't the best, but I do think it will help illustrate how it works. Okay, so the automatic duplication system is set up in a way to make it simple for you to make multiple streams of income without frustration, without overwhelm. And this is essentially how it works. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can come into the automatic duplication system. You can start for free, for example. You can add your own streams of income if you have that. If you don't have streams of income, another way you can come into it is you can come in and purchase a membership, which will qualify you to earn from all the different products within the Sparky system. And you can just do that. Or there's another way where you can purchase a membership and then purchase the different income streams, extra income streams we have in the system that will pay you commissions. The whole point of the system is to make it very simple for you to be able to earn multiple streams of income, and I believe it does a great job from my experience. So in a nutshell, we have leads. Leads are just people that are taking a look at the system, coming into the system, wanting to check out the system. The system actually does provide ways to get leads. So like through the membership, you can get leads that way. Also, there's something called advertising co-ops where you could purchase those optional, and those will get you sales. Actually, those are designed to get you sales, but that's optional and that's another expense. So the way this works is you have leads, you have what's called a funnel. Leads are coming into the system. The system, which is the automatic duplication system, is now going to take these leads and follow up with the leads. Okay, so you either generate the leads yourself, you use the system resources to have leads. Either way, there's leads coming into the system. Now, when the leads come into the system, what happens is you have what's called Sparky AI, which is AI agent, who's going to go and follow up with your leads. Now, if this wasn't there, what you would do on your own is you would be responsible for following up with your leads. So this system is designed to really much make this hands-free, this whole process. So Spark AI is going to call, text, email, and voicemail drop your leads. And then what's going to happen is we have a 24/7 call center that's essentially on standby. So as soon as your leads come into the funnel, as soon as they come into the automatic duplication system and they come in and create a free account, as soon as that happens, Sparky AI is calling, email, texting, voicemail dropping, and the call center, there's now a way for your lead to come right in and be able to get a one-on-one coaching session right away, get their questions answered, and be set up for success right away. Okay, so what's the call center going to be talking about? So they're going to answer the questions about how the system works. Now remember, this is all being done for you. You don't have to do this part. So this is amazing, because when I started online many years ago, back in 2012, this didn't exist. You had to do all this yourself. You had to have your own funnel. You had to follow up with your leads. Typically it was through email or getting on the phone, some way reaching out to them. It is very time consuming. And now we have all these things in place where you don't have to do that. So now let's say the lead gets over to the call center. They're like, hey, you know what? I want to get that one-on-one coaching. I want to learn about how this system can make me money. So what happens now? What happens is the call center, whoever's there, who's a member of the automatic duplication system, they can't work in the call center unless they're a member of the automatic duplication system. They are going to walk your lead, your prospect, through the system. They are going to show them the power of the system, right? How it works, answer the questions. And what they're going to do is they're going to walk them through and encourage them to get a membership, which is going to pay you a residual income, which is going to provide them leads. They're also going to go and they're going to say, hey, you want to make sure that you can earn from all the different streams of income. So they're going to walk them through how to sign up for all the different streams of income. Again, you are not doing this. The call center is doing this for you. Sparky is doing this for you. So it's really a fun thing to watch. Like I'll see people come in through my system and I will all of a sudden see my emails start lighting up with commissions. Like, oh, new member, new member, new member. And they go through the different streams of income. So this is a very, very powerful system that's going to free up your time and help you make more money. That's what this is about, because you have these resources in place, these follow-up resources in place that are there working for you 24/7 while you're sleeping, while you're at the beach, while you're at the movies, while you're at the mall, whatever you're doing, while you're at work, it doesn't matter. This is happening. And you have high tech and you have high touch. You have many, many different ways to earn. So now one customer isn't paying you once, it's paying you many times over. Just one customer. So let me just put this into perspective. If you only had one business, okay, one way to make money, that's it. That's all you get. You get one. So you bring in one customer, they purchase one product, you get paid. Maybe it's residual, it'll come back next month, but that's it. With this, you can get paid many, many times over from the membership, from the advertising packages, from the various tools that are within the Sparky system, and then from currently the 4 income streams that we have that are optional, but you can still use them. Plus, you can add 2 of your own. So that's how this system works. Now let me back out of this and come over here and let's talk about the funnel. Okay, so they are always updating this funnel, by the way. The video is being updated. Things are always being updated, worked on, made better for better conversions. One of the things I forgot to mention though was that system, you also have what's called retargeting going on. So when you have a member come into that system, they are also going to be followed around. They're going to be seeing Sparky AI on Facebook, throughout the different platforms. They're going to be seeing it. And it's just such a powerful thing because they keep seeing it over and over again. And a lot of times it brings them back over to want to get started. So if they weren't ready to get started right when they came through, they're going to get followed around. And most likely they'll come around because it's a very, very powerful system. So let me just show you how this works. Here is the funnel. Now you have the option of generating your own leads, which I recommend, which I do. And I have a private Facebook group, chat group, where I work with you on what to do. And I'll tell you what I do. I reach out to people. I put up curiosity posts on Facebook and I make videos like this one. And I share the system and I do updates and I share my experience and I share my results. And I just keep doing that. And that generates new sales. That's what it does. Okay. So if you want to make multiple streams of income like I'm doing, then you might want to use this powerful system. Now, if you want to get started, just go to the link in the description in my video and click on this button right here. It says get your free trial. Fill this out, get your free trial. Now understand, this isn't even a trial. You're getting a full dashboard that looks just like this. Okay? Getting a full dashboard. It has getting started, it has the memberships, it has the advertising packet, it has everything. Everything you need is right here. If you want to use that funnel, here it is right here. You just grab the link, and this is what you would share with people. You don't have to do telling or explaining or anything. If you want to go more in depth, this is a 12-minute video that goes over everything and how everything works. And this is right in the system too. You grab it, you share it. That's it. Very, very simple. Okay, so coming back to here, let me just walk you through what happens. Okay, you generate a lead, or a lead is generated. Either way, generate a lead, they come into the system, they watch the video. Okay, they scroll through, maybe they read through the page, see what it's all about. Okay, they decide, okay, that looks good, I want to give this a shot. They come in, they click on the button, they fill in their free, get a free membership, free dashboard. And then the next thing, now they're in the funnel. Now they're in the system. They get their own dashboard. Sparky AI is going to call, text, voicemail drop, and email them. And they're going to have the option as soon as they come out of the, let me see if I have this. Let's get this over. Let me see. As soon as they come out of that funnel, they're going to see a page that looks like this. And they're going to have the option to go into a live 24/7 one-on-one coaching and onboarding. Okay, so we get their questions answered, and then it can be set up for success. I just want you to imagine what this is like for you, like how it's going to benefit you, because when you have these things in place, this is how you make income. This is how you free up your time, and it's just amazing. So they come in here and they may go do this, they may do it on their own, but they're going to be instructed to purchase a membership. Why? Because when you purchase a membership, you get leads. Plus, when you purchase a membership, you become commission qualified, meaning you can earn from all the products within the Sparky system, which you can earn all the way up to $16,500 in one commission. So you absolutely want to be a member. That's important. The next thing they're going to do is come over here and walk your people through the income streams. Now we have 4 different income streams, very affordable, that pay residual income. Residual meaning it comes in month after month after month. Then we have our own opportunities in here as well. So you can put your own opportunities. So that's another way to earn. Plus the ad pack if they want to do that. So there's all these different ways you can earn from any of these memberships. Even if you don't have the membership, you just need one membership and you can earn from any of these. This is residual income. You can earn from any of these income streams as long as you have the income streams. Okay, if you don't have the income streams, you're not going to earn from them. You can earn from your own income streams. You can earn from the other products within the system. And I've done videos about that, by the way. You can just go through my playlist or go to my channel and you'll be able to find that. I've walked right through those. And then they have the advertising packages they could purchase. So there's many different ways you can earn from this very powerful, very leveraged, very simple system. And let's just say we remove the leads, okay? The leads don't exist, the ad packs don't exist. And let's just say we look at this funnel, right? We look at this thing like, okay, I'm going to generate my own leads. That's what I do. Okay? I generate my own leads. It's not hard. I go share a system that is very leveraged that solves the problems of most marketers, most people, okay? And I share it with them and I get out of the way. I send them this video. This is what I send them. I send them this page. I'm not doing anything fancy. I let them watch it. If they like what they see, great. If they have questions, a couple things you can do, because we have different resources. You can have them call Sparky. You could do a 3-way call with Sparky. And the phone number is in my description for Sparky. If you want to call Sparky and you want to experience it, and you want to see what it's all about, and you want to ask Sparky questions and see how this actually works, you're more than welcome to do that. Then you have the phone team. You have the call center who's doing the heavy lifting for you. They're literally answering questions and closing the deal for you. You don't have to do that. I can't tell you how huge that is because over the years I had to learn how to close. I had to learn how to follow up. And now you don't have to. Now, the other thing you can do is, like I said, once they watch this video, you go to this video. This one's 12 minutes. So if they need more information, it's 12 minutes. Or you direct them into the call center or to Sparky, okay? Or you send them a presentation because we have new presentations, new team calls like every week with what's going on, how it works. So nobody will be in the dark if they don't want to be. There is no confusion here. Everything is laid out very simple. And if you are confused, you can talk to a human being and just imagine, like, this is just what you call leverage, okay? Remember, I said remove the leads, remove the ad packs. Those are there, by the way, if you want to use them. I'm just saying, let's forget all that. And let's just look at this as a system, a very powerful system that you can leverage by sharing a link, by doing simple things that will bring people into your system and allow the follow-up process to happen, making you multiple streams of income. And I'm telling you, when this thing happens, like, so I'll watch it. Lead comes in, next thing I know, I'm seeing my emails lighting up saying, hey, you just got a new member. Hey, you just got a new member. And it just goes along the line. And it's really an amazing thing. You see the membership, sometimes you see the ad pack, and then you see the different income streams. So it's very powerful. You may or may not have the income streams already. If you do, great. You can just plug those in and use the system. Super powerful. And I've covered that, what the income streams are in a different video, so definitely check that out. With that, make it a great day. I thank you for watching. Go to the link in my description if this sounds like something you want to check out, something you want to experience, something you want to take advantage of and leverage. Go to the link in my description of my video, and then make sure you get this free trial. And I do recommend making sure you come in here and you do the live onboarding. You'll see this pop up because, it's important to make an informed decision. It's important to have all the facts. That's how you do it. And you just can't go wrong here. Okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.